Good morning everyone. I hope okay lang ang lahat. Ito, nagbihis ako kasi aalis ako ngayon. Pupunta ako ngayon sa aking bangko. I have to check my earnings. Sobra akong nako-confuse, guys. Kasi ba, naka-process naman na siya eh. Process na siya. Pero wala pa siya sa aking payout list. So, kailangan ko siya i-check ngayon kung baka nakapasok na siya sa aking bank account. So, I have to go today and check my ipon. yun ang aking term, ipon. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. I'm going today and check, and I have to bring this for me. This is my what I call this. This is my bank account and then passport. So the passport that I show them for my identification. So I have to bring this because every time I go to the bank, this is the identification ID ang gamit ko palagi. So, at saka, yun, kailangan kong dalhin to. So, samahan nyo ako, guys. Good luck for me. I hope it's already in my account. So, I have to check it out. So, I guess that's all for now. And see you for my next video when I get there. So, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you all.